Hey, what's up, garden friends? Jeff here, Tropical Plant Party. How's everybody doing? Hope you're good. Great. Got some more annuals to toss together. So if you watch the vlogs, you will have seen last week, or I guess it'd be like a couple vlogs ago, I threw together a mock planter, and it was with these 4 plants right in front of me. This Calla lily, there are 2 of the Begonias, and an alyssum, Snow Princess. I decided that I actually really liked the way it looked. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it together for real this time, so everything's actually planted together, and this will end up going in my Serenity garden when I end up setting that up, which is still going to be probably a week or 2, but this way this will already kind of be on the road to establishment. For starters, in the middle here, I'm using the I don't know how to say that. It's a Calla lily. Where it's going to be going, it's going to be getting a few hours of morning sun, which really is going to be perfect for this. I really love the flowers on this particular Calla lily. The only thing I would change about it would be it'd be nice if it had the fun speckly leaves, but whatever. I do have another Calla lily I could use that has like these dark red flowers, but I just don't really think that would go that well with these Begonias. So I'm sticking with what I already know works. I also have these massive coleus back here. There they are. And I had them setting next to everything and it looked really cool. I don't think that those are going to work well in this planter. It's too much, like they'll just smash everything down. So maybe I'll work some coleus in around them when I get them set up in a week or so. Oh, and this hosta back here, that's just there. But it's doing well, so I'm just gonna leave it. Typically I would like to dump all the soil and start with fresh soil, but I'm just gonna remove the majority of it and then leave whatever soil that hosta is in right there for it. All right, and there we go. Quick, simple, nothing too terribly complicated. Like I mentioned before, this was the Samur, I can't remember, Calla lily in the back. Then over here on the left and on the right of that Calla lily, this is the Begonia, Unbelievable First Kiss. And the front, this is Alyssum Snow Princess, and it could use a cutback. Overall, I really like this combination together. Once these begonias fill out some more, this is going to look much nicer, and when it's not surrounded by dirt everywhere. This is, I think, the 8th planter I've done today, so things are getting a little bit messy. I'm not cleaning up in between takes. That's just not realistic. I'm gardening. It gets dirty sometimes. Keeping it real. So, these Begonias are supposed to be able to take full sun. Calla lilies, on the other hand, that's what's in the middle there, not so much. But since it's a begonia, it's also supposed to be able to go part shade. So, shouldn't be a problem. The alyssum, on the other hand, well, they like a lot of sun. So it may get a little bit scraggly and require more pruning and more feeding. And as time goes on, maybe I'll stumble upon something else to put in the front here that might be a little bit more fitting. But for now, I just want the scent of the alyssum, and I like the airy texture of it. At nighttime, these Begonias like practically light up with, if they're near a light. They're very reflective, very colorful, the lovely coral pink with those awesome centers. These Calla lilies up here are a really pretty pale pink with that awesome Calla lily shape to them, very lush and tropical. And like I said, some lovely airy texture here with the alyssum. And then there's that random hosta in the back. Yeah, I don't know what's happened there. All of the plants in here really do like a nice, well-drained, evenly moist, organically rich soil. I just used like a Miracle-Gro type potty mix. I added a little bit of orchid bark too and some charcoal just to help richen it up a little bit. I am still going to make sure to fertilize this on a monthly schedule. Maybe I'm going to mix in a little bit of slow release all-purpose, and then I'll use a liquid probably every other week. Fun, easy, colorful plants. Okay, so these Begonias, sun to part shade, they like evenly moist soil, can get 12 to 24 inches high, and expect them maybe about a foot wide. I've never actually grown them before. This is my first year experimenting with them, but so far they have been a very fuss-free, easy-to-grow begonia they flower like crazy. Alyssum Snow Princess, well, I don't have its tag anywhere around me, but they get to be a decent size. They're free flowering. I've never had to deadhead my alyssum, but I can tell you they do like a decent amount of sun and they smell absolutely amazing. But yeah, there it is. Aren't they pretty? Like I said, if I can find something else that's cheap and fitting, I'll probably put that in here. Maybe a wandering yew of some kind. That might look really pretty in here. It won't flower, but it's going to have a nice dark contrast I think will look good with nice aqua color of the pot. Yeah, so I'm going to keep an eye out for that. Yeah, overall, I just love this. The begonias are a little bit sensitive in the sense that they're a little bit breakable. So I roughed them up a little bit by accident. Also, they're not supposed to require deadheading, but look at how cool their spent flowers are. Isn't that neat? They're like little, I don't know what this looks like. I have no idea. It kind of looks like a flower butt, doesn't it? Well, it's neat looking. So, but it's not, you're not supposed to have to deadhead it. Kind of hard to resist when they look so cool. Neat. Yeah, okay though, that's gonna do it. Quick, easy, simple, colorful arrangement to put in the part shade. Maybe even more than part shade, but I'm gonna make sure that this gets at least 3 hours of morning sun. Not afternoon sun though, because I'm pretty sure that'll scorch the calla lily. Why don't you comment down below? Has grown the Iconia begonias before? What are you doing with calla lilies? I love them. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up. It helps the videos a lot, and I really do appreciate every single one of them. Like, a lot. Thank you very much. Subscribe as well. I upload multiple times a week. I'll link my social media stuff down below, down there in the roots of the video. You can follow me, I'll follow you back, and we can share those plant pictures. It's a lot of fun. All right, and as always, everybody, most importantly, keep on growing.